You're frustrated. You're showing up, posting workouts, sharing client transformations, offering real value. But when it comes to your high ticket coaching, the sales just aren't landing the way they should. And here's the truth. If you're delivering a luxury client experience, not just a fitness program or wellness plan, your messaging has to reflect who you are and not just what you offer. I'm Elle Ross, co-founder of Convert to Scale and the Self-Selling Sales System. And after scaling multiple six-figure coaching business in wellness, fitness, and mindset, I realized something most coaches never talk about. What sells a $37 guide won't sell a $3,000 transformation. And your content is probably attracting the wrong audience because your message isn't aligned with what you actually deliver. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to shift into luxury messaging so your next post doesn't just go viral, it brings in high caliber clients who are ready to invest in you. Let me be real with you. I built my first wellness business doing all the things: daily content, transformation posts, challenges, one-on-one check-ins, meal prep reels, and it worked. I built a multi-six-figure wellness business, but then life changed. I moved from Atlanta to Houston, became a single mom, starting over, no team, no savings, just a vision. And suddenly all the content that used to convert, it stopped because I wasn't selling quick wins anymore. I was selling deep, lasting transformation through a full mind and body shift, through mentorship, identity work, and habit reprogramming. But my messaging still sounded like I was selling a program. That's when I realized I'm not selling a product. I'm selling a luxury client experience. And my content had to catch up to the quality that I was actually delivering. So let's talk about what most fitness and wellness coaches get wrong. If your content sounds like this: 3 tips for better gut health. Here's my upper body workout routine. How I lost 15 pounds without cutting carbs. That might be great for mass market buyers, but not the woman who's ready to drop and invest $3,000 for one-on-one coaching. Not for the client who wants full emotional support, mindset rewiring, accountability, and permanent, lifelong, sustainable results. See, high-ticket wellness clients, they're not buying a calorie deficit. They're buying a new identity. They want to think like you, live like you, and feel safe being led by you. And know how to carousel or what I eat in a day real is going to create that level of trust. And that's why luxury messaging is a non-negotiable. So what is luxury messaging? Luxury messaging is how you market when you've outgrown the influencer content model and stepped into being a transformative coach and brand. It's when your content reflects your philosophy on healing or fat loss, your personal standards for transformation, your deeper why behind the way you coach, and the energetic shift that happens when someone enters your world. Luxury messaging doesn't mean you stop giving value. It means you elevate your value and you speak from identity and not just instruction. Because the woman hiring you doesn't just want abs. She wants authority. She wants to feel powerful in her body again. And she's watching to see, is she walking in the energy that I want to embody? And that is what converts, not tips. And if you've outgrown surface level content, here's how to evolve your messaging. 1, get clear on the identity you embody. Who are you as a coach? What kind of energy, standards, and values do you lead with? 2, speak to the internal shift, not just the external result. Your future client already knows she should eat more protein, but she's stuck in the shame, fear, or perfectionism. You want to speak to that. 3rd, share your standards, not just your strategy. Don't just show the 30-minute workout. Talk about the discipline it took to get up and do it, even when no one was watching. And 4th, use our S4 framework in every post. Story: what did you struggle with too? Strategy: what shifted for you or a client? Shift: what belief needs to be broken? And sell: invite them into your world, your mentorship, and your transformation. Here's your sign. You don't need to burn out trying to educate more. You need to elevate how you are showing up. If your business is built around premium level transformation, your content needs to reflect that. And that's what we help you do inside Convert to Scale. We help coaches like you build a self-selling sales system rooted in faith, identity, aligned attraction content, and sales systems that do the heavy lifting for you. You'll attract high quality leads, raise your price with confidence, and create a luxury client experience that converts through your content, not just sales calls. And if you're ready to implement this system into your online coaching business, go ahead and access the Content to Clients free mini course below, or go ahead and book your complimentary business health assessment audit today, because your next level client is already watching you. So let's make sure she actually sees you. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.